The Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition has been officially announced as a more budget-friendly alternative to the sought-after Galaxy S24. This year's model is larger, featuring a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display, making it 0.5 inches bigger than the Galaxy S24. Key differences. Processor. The Galaxy S24 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy SoC, US, or Exynos 2400, other regions. In contrast, the S24 Fan Edition uses the Exynos 2400E, a lower clock version to cut costs. Notably, the S24 Fan Edition will exclusively feature the Exynos chip in the US. Fingerprint Scanner. The Galaxy S24 has an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, while the S24 Fan Edition uses a less accurate in-display scanner. Design and size. The S24 Fan Edition measures 162 x 77.3 millimeters and weighs 213 grams, significantly larger and heavier than the S24, 147 x 70.6 millimeters, 167 grams. The S24 Fan Edition features a plastic frame and Victus Plus glass compared to the S24's premium materials. Camera. Both models have a 50-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, but the S24 Fan Edition replaces the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an 8-megapixel shooter. Samsung claims improvements in the camera experience for the S24 Fan Edition due to upgraded sensors and artificial intelligence features. Battery life. The S24 has a 4,000 mAh battery, while the S24 Fan Edition offers a larger 4,900 mAh battery, though both have similar charging speeds. Pricing. The Galaxy S24 starts at $799.99, while the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is available for pre-order at $709.99, marking a $50 increase over the S23 Fan Edition. In summary, your choice between the two will depend on whether you prioritize a premium design, faster performance, and superior camera capabilities. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.